Meaning of decimeter.
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 Decimeter. A decimeter is a unit of length in the metric system, which is equal to 1/10 of a meter. It is commonly used to measure relatively short distances, such as the height or width of small objects. Specifically, a decimeter is equivalent to 10 centimeters or 3.937 inches. This unit is part of the International System of Units, SI, and is abbreviated as dm. In everyday life, you may encounter decimeters when measuring things like the length of a bookshelf, the width of a computer screen, or the size of a small plant.